Hello everyone, today we are taking a quick look at the brand new Wacom Cintiq Pro 17. This is the latest addition in the Cintiq Pro lineup, and it's making waves in the world of digital art and design. While it shares many similarities with its bigger sibling, the Cintiq Pro 27, its standout feature here, of course, is its 17-inch display. Join me as we dive into the world of digital art and design with the new Wacom Cintiq Pro 17. So starting with the design, the Cintiq Pro 17 maintains that premium Wacom build quality, but in a more compact form. Its 27-inch larger sibling is great if you can fit it into your workspace, but if you're constantly competing for desk space like I am, the Cintiq Pro 17 may be a perfect fit for you. Additionally, when you pair it with the Pro stand, you can easily articulate the screen the way you want it. I love this stand because I can move the display while I work, I can rotate it, I can even slip my keyboard underneath the display when I'm not using it. The highlight of the Cintiq Pro 17 is, of course, its 17-inch display. Although it's smaller than the Pro 27, it still boasts a stunning 4K display with impeccable color accuracy. We're working with a 10-bit display with a 1001 contrast ratio, 400 nits of brightness, HDR gamma support, and of course the AG glass that just feels wonderful to draw on. You're getting the same vivid, true-to-life color experience in a more compact package. Like the Pro 27, the Cintiq Pro 17 comes with Wacom's Pro Pen 3. It features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and an improved 60-degree tilt angle. This ensures precise and natural drawing, and what I love most about the pen is its customization. The Pro Pen 3 can easily be disassembled, and you have the ability to swap out pen grips, button panels, pen tips, which they call nibs, and even adjust the weight balance. In general, the Pro Pen 3 feels a lot more solid. The weight feels about the same as the Pro Pen 2, but the balance shift makes a massive difference. When it comes to ergonomics, the Pro 17 is designed with comfort in mind. I already mentioned the Pro stand, which in my opinion is a must, but beyond that, the Pro 17 has two handles on each side of the display, each with their own set of 4 express keys. And these keys can be programmed to do just about anything you need. You also get this nifty pen holder, which doubles as a storage compartment for your pen parts. You can mount the holder on either the left or the right side of the display, and there's a mounting point at the top of the display, but it doesn't matter much because the cables shoot out directly from behind it, rendering it inaccessible. Speaking of cables, like the Pro 27, the Cintiq Pro 17 comes with USB-C and various other ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The ability to connect to both PCs and Macs remains a key advantage, offering flexibility for a variety of creative setups. The Cintiq Pro 17 comes in at a lower cost than its 27-inch counterpart, of course, but it's still quite the investment. It's an excellent choice for artists and designers who want a high-quality Wacom tablet in a more compact form. Personally, I work on a 24-inch Cintiq Pro, and I'm extremely tempted to downsize simply to just save desk space. It's also important for you to consider the work that you're doing. I could easily see digital artists, painters, illustrators, all favoring the larger display because you can achieve a much more large, natural feeling brushstroke, whereas on the 17-inch display, you're limited to a more confined working space. So making those long brushstrokes, it's less of a possibility. Now, if you're using the display for sketching mockups and graphic design, retouching photos, or visual demonstrations, it could be a great fit for you. We want to know what you think though. Be sure to leave us a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.